The next big shock to U.S. immigration may not be visas. It may be research funding. Uncertainty around proposed U.S. budget cuts is already shaking America's research ecosystem, and Indian PhD aspirants are feeling the impact first. The Trump administration has proposed cutting National Science Foundation funding by over 50%, NASA science funding by 47%, and slashing NIH funding by around 40%, collapsing 27 institutes into 8. That adds up to nearly $30 billion in proposed cuts. Study abroad consultants say the damage is already underway. Principal investigators are freezing hiring, delaying PhD offers, and placing Indian applicants on indefinite wait lists as they wait for budget clarity. Even if funding stabilizes later, admissions behavior has already changed. The risk is not across all students. Most of the 1.8 lakh Indians going to the U.S. each year pursue master's degrees. The pressure is concentrated on research-heavy PhD tracks, especially funded ones. Indian students usually rely on assistantships and grants, not self-funded prestige degrees. Even a small funding contraction leads universities to quietly pause PhD intakes and lab hiring. The most exposed groups are PhD candidates, postdocs, and early career researchers in biology, climate science, energy, materials, and lab-intensive fields. Experts warn of a 10 to 20% drop in funded PhD and research assistant roles for the 2025-26 cycle. Indian applicants are adapting by hedging with Germany, the Netherlands, the UK, Canada, Australia, and Japan, or shifting toward coursework and industry-facing programs. But no country matches the scale of U.S. research funding. The bigger fear is talent exiting academic research entirely. Some advisors urge calm, noting Congress often restores funding and top universities can absorb shocks. Still, for Indian researchers, the uncertainty itself is already rewriting plans.